Hello everyone, my name is Eric Frick and I'm your instructor for Introduction to Cloud Native Computing, or CN50. I have over 30 years of experience in the IT field and have been working as an instructor at the college level as well as in corporate training for more than 10 years. Here's what you can expect from this course. Introduction to Cloud Native Computing is an introductory level course that is a great first step in the roadmap of cloud native and OpenStack training available from Mirantis. This course is a precursor for both CN100 Container Essentials and OS 100 OpenStack Essentials. This course, as with most Mirantis courses, is vendor agnostic. What this means is that our courses are not tied to products of specific manufacturers. The knowledge you gain in this course will be applicable to many environments regardless of what products the organization uses. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid background in cloud native terminology, the history leading to the cloud native revolution, the architecture of cloud native systems, and companies and products in the cloud native arena. You'll also learn strategies for integrating and supporting cloud native technologies into your organization's workflow. This is a beginning level technical course and is ideal for someone looking to gain a deeper understanding of cloud native computing and how it fits in today's software development world. While we'll cover technical concepts, this course is designed for learners with a variety of backgrounds from different parts of business. These roles may include managers, salespeople, and technical IT professionals who are new to cloud native computing. Sign up today to begin your journey in cloud native technology with Introduction to Cloud Native Computing. I look forward to seeing you in class.